Take a ride in the 2020 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Why buy from Palm Bay Ford? We treat you like family and offer the ultimate service after the sale that you just have to experience for yourself. It's car buying made simple with savings up to $9,000. Or shop online and get our best e-price. Invoice minus all rebates and incentives. Plus, the best used car warranty. If it breaks, we fix it. Period. Come to Palm Bay Ford and experience the difference for yourself at Palm Bay Ford.